Action.
We're rolling. Action. Maui Karen Ann said action. We're rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. So anyhow, folks, today is a hurricane in New Orleans. That's how you say it, New Orleans. And my buddy out there at Gnome's Tavern, he's having a hurricane party. I don't know how many people, I didn't see anybody, but he was making the booze, I'll tell you that. Miko, you're doing a hell of a job. And I got some fun facts to go over with you guys. Did you know it's impossible to hold your nose and hum? Hum, hey, it's gone. Hum, hey, it's gone. And did you also know that when you're born, you only have 1 pint of blood, but by the time you're an adult, you have 4 to 5 quarts. Now that's a lot of blood added to your body. Imagine if when you were born, if you had 4 or 5 quarts of blood in you, you'd be bloated, you know?
Yes, I guess you would.
And another thing, for all you non-vaccinators out there and all you non-mask wearers out there, think of this. A sneeze travels 100 miles per hour and it puts 100,000 germs in the air. So wearing a mask protects other people, not just yourself, it protects other people. And I hate to say that because I know that everybody wants to do their own thing, and I'm for you, but when it involves hurting other people, you should pay attention to that, please. And I have another thing to say.
Oh, no.
Yes, I have another thing to say.
No, tell me no.
I just discovered how to do shorts the right way. So I wore undershorts today. And I don't have them on backwards anymore. I got them on frontwards. So the pee hole is in the front, okay? You got that? You got that, Mrs. G? You got that?
Help! I
Help.
need help.
Maui Karen Ann is saying help. And now I have my shout-outs. I always give shout-outs all the time. Cooking with Neighbors with Jerry Ellen, and Flour, Eggs, and Yeast with Cam and Teresa. And I don't know if I ever gave one to Stelly Grills and Chills. So Stelly, here's one for you, buddy. Here's your shout-out. And Delish Savory Eats. Check these guys out. When I give a shout-out, it's to check them out because everybody needs help. We're all YouTubers and we have a family and we have to stick together with our family. Today I'm going to make a drink called the Gangster Cocktail. And it's not because I'm a gangster, I'm really not, but I do like cocktails. And this gangster was shooting at me and I had to duck, and so I made him a cocktail and he stopped shooting at me. That's not a true story either. But
Oh, surprise.
Surprise, surprise, surprise.
Not a true story. Woo.
Not a true story at all. I'm going to put in 1 ounce of vodka. 1 ounce, just 1 ounce. Maybe an ounce and a half, who cares?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
1 ounce of vodka, maybe an ounce and a half. I don't know. Cachaca. Cachaca Mama. Remember I made a Cachaca Mama not too long ago? Cachaca Mama. 1 ounce of Cachaca. Maybe an ounce and a half, who cares?
Is that like a rum?
Yeah, that's like a rum. Cachaca is a Brazilian rum. It's made with sugar cane instead of molasses.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you know what Cachaca is?
Yeah, I do.
And Amaretto, which is Amaretto. Desano's Amaretto. 1 ounce of Amaretto. Maybe an ounce and a half, who cares? Are you watching this? Are you watching this, Mrs. G. Karen Anskis?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Maui Karen Ann is watching this. 2 ounces pineapple juice. I was squeezing pineapples today. I squeeze them a lot. And a little bit of maraschino cherry juice from the cherry bottle. Hey, Cam, Teresa, I got a garnish ready to go. It's ready to go. And I got to shake this because it makes it cold. So you're supposed to shake it for 15 to 20 seconds. And the longer I talk, the longer I can shake, because you guys just don't want to watch me shake. You want to watch me pour, and then you want to watch me drink. Ah, this is looking so good. It smells good. Cachaca. Cachaca mama. Oh.
That looks pretty.
It's pretty good looking, like me. And a garnish.
Where's
There
your
you go. I got my Gerard Giraffe. That's it. Gerard Giraffe. I named him this morning. And my cherry garnish. And there you have it.
Woo!
There you have it, folks. Let's try this out. Wow. A little bit on the sweet side, but it's really, really good.
Too much
I never said this before, I'm saying it now. Make this cocktail for yourself. Try it at home. It is really delicious. And I'm going to take one more sip and then I'm going to shut off. Now remember, vaccination is the nation. Vaccination in the nation. Say hello to your mama, and with a body like this, who needs hair? I'm bald. With a body like this, who needs hair? Cocktail Tony, over and out.